This is a series of exercises for you to recognize rhythm patterns among options. Let's remind ourselves 4/4 equals to 4 quarter notes, which is usually the bass beat when we're beginning to learn about rhythm. Sometimes you can see 4/4 written as a C as well. The most important thing you could do is listen to the bass beat, which is a quarter note. So this is how fast it will go. And I will give you 4 beats before I begin one of these lines. You need to determine whether it was line A, B, C, or D. Notice the difference between A, B, and C, D right at the beginning. That way you can eliminate already 2 options from the beginning. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. We have seen the 4/4 time signature. What about 3/4? 3 what in a bar? 3 quarter notes in a bar. So here are some examples of 3/4s you would have to recognize again, 1 out of the 4 lines. I will give you a whole bar of beats. That means 3 beats. 2, 3. Da, 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 da. Which line was it? Let's also review 1 quarter note equals to 2/8 notes. And in class we have been using the syllables da, do for 2/8 notes beamed together. Here's an example in 3/4. So in that particular example, if I give you 3 beats, let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Da, da, do, da, da, do, da, 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 do, da, da.